Today we're going to talk a little bit about wills and estate planning. Now, I know that it's not a happy subject. Usually when you're talking about a will or talking about estate planning, you're talking about someone having died. And that's not the happiest conversation to have. But think for a moment what would happen if you died today and there wasn't some direction as to who should be taken care of and how they should be taken care of. There are certain default rules in the state of Florida that will essentially dispense with your assets when you pass away. But if you're able to make your own decisions and those decisions be carried out after your death, wouldn't you want that to happen? Talking to a lawyer about what happens when you pass away, what your family should or shouldn't get, and how those things should be allocated may be difficult, but we try to make it easy here at Young DeLoach. It's not a matter of concentrating on the negative of being dead. It's more so a matter of concentrating on the positive of seeing to it that your loved ones don't suffer unnecessarily from financial collapse. I can't tell you how many stories I've seen of people who haven't done the right type of planning and have left their family in a really bad situation. Now you may be thinking to yourself, but I'm not a rich person. I don't have millions of dollars. Why do I need a will? Well, probably because you have 2 or 3 of the things that most of us do have that really are significant assets and need to be dealt with. You probably have a house. You may have a car or 2. Maybe you have life insurance or burial insurance. Who's going to get all that? What happens if you and your wife divorce, or if you have another kid that comes in before the last time you looked at your insurance? It's not a happy thing to do, but again, look at it as concentrating on the future and making sure your family doesn't have to make hard decisions that you wouldn't want them to make if you weren't still around. We can help you here at Young DeLoach.